Welcome to today's global briefing. We're diving into the markets, deals, and moves shaping business around the world right now. From major shifts to key developments, we'll cover the stories that matter most as we navigate the fast-changing corporate landscape together. Let's get started. Now we're diving into the heart of the matter, markets. This section sets the stage for understanding where opportunities lie, who the key players are, and how forces shape the landscape. Markets aren't just places to buy and sell. They're dynamic systems that influence everything we do. Let's explore what drives them and why they matter to our story. We're picking up right after the U.S. markets reopened following the Independence Day holiday. Last week, chip stocks, especially those tied to AI, took a hit as investors reconsidered spending on AI infrastructure. Meanwhile, June's payroll numbers came in below expectations, just 57,000 new jobs, with unemployment steady at 4.2%. Despite that, the S&P 500 closed at a record high before the break, while the Nasdaq stayed mostly flat. The market's mood is cautious, but watchful as trading resumes. Now we're diving into the heart of the matter, technology and artificial intelligence. This section explores how these tools are shaping our world, transforming industries, and changing the way we live and work. We'll look at the latest advancements, the challenges they bring, and the opportunities they unlock. Let's see how tech and AI are driving the future forward. We're seeing some big names in chips and equipment: NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and others take a hit as investors rethink how much to spend on AI infrastructure. At the same time, OpenAI's IPO might be pushed to next year, partly because of recent market jitters and SpaceX's rocky debut. Meanwhile, Apple's stock jumped nearly 5% after news of a bold plan to build 10 million foldable iPhones this year. It's a moment of shifts and surprises in tech and AI. Now we're shifting gears to focus on deals and mergers and acquisitions. This section dives into how companies come together, whether through partnerships, buying, or merging. It's a complex world, full of strategy, negotiation, and big decisions that shape industries. Let's explore what drives these deals and why they matter so much in business today. We're seeing a surge in deal activity this year, with 2026 deal volume in the region already up 30% compared to last year. Globally, deal value is on track to hit $2.6 trillion, potentially setting a new record. In Asia-Pacific, M&A activity has topped $750 billion. On the corporate front, Jersey Mike's is riding strong growth, reporting 50% same-store sales increases as it prepares for an IPO. Meanwhile, Shell has exited the North American auto service market by selling Jiffy Lube. And in a major shakeup, Getty refused a UK regulator's demand to sell Shutterstock's editorial arm, causing their planned $3.7 billion merger to collapse, with both stocks taking a hit. Deals are happening, but so are breakups, shaping a record pipeline ahead. Now we're shifting gears to focus on autos, a section that dives into everything related to cars. From innovations to industry trends, this part of our talk will explore how autos shape our daily lives and the future of transportation. Let's buckle up and take a closer look at what's driving change in this exciting field. This quarter's auto sales tell a mixed story. Some companies fell short of Wall Street's delivery expectations, like Lucid, which missed estimates despite raising its 2026 delivery outlook, a rare bright spot in a softer market. Rivian faced challenges too, with sales dropping due to supplier issues and weaker EV demand. Meanwhile, Ford and GM both saw declines in vehicle sales compared to last year, signaling ongoing pressures in the industry. It's a quarter of contrasts, with some optimism amid clear headwinds. Now we're shifting gears to explore the connection between aviation and energy. This section dives into how these two critical fields intersect, from fuel innovations to sustainability challenges. We'll look at the technologies and strategies shaping the future of flight and power, and why this relationship matters more than ever. Let's get started. We're seeing tensions rise in both aviation and energy sectors. A U.S. official has pointed to Iran as responsible for an attack on a cargo ship near the Strait of Hormuz, a key route for oil shipments. That pressure showed up in oil prices, with Brent crude and WTI both slipping slightly. Meanwhile, the FAA is stepping in with mandatory inspections on Boeing's 747-8 freighters, targeting potential fuselage cracks. UPS, with a large fleet of these jets, faces real risks if disruptions hit. It's a moment where energy and aviation challenges intersect. That wraps up our key takeaways, drawing from trusted sources like CNBC, Bloomberg, and more. As of early July 2026, we've looked at oil markets around Hormuz, the mixed results in the auto sector, major moves in mergers and acquisitions, and the spotlight on AI valuations. Thanks for joining me on this journey.